This, this morning I'm doing this video on how to use the edge resistant meter. Okay, so I did an installation here sometimes ago, solar installation, and it has an earthing system. I wasn't sure of how effective the earthing is, so I needed to test the resistance of the earthing. So this is the earthing I was on initially. It's not so deep. So I have my unit C head testing meter here. You can actually place the earth rod distance with the first potential potential rod between 5 to 10 meters. Then from this rod to the second rod should be between 5 to 10 meters also, so it should be equidistant. So I'm using about 10 meters difference because the first rod is being obstructed by pavement, which is about 10 meters already. So I'm going to place it to be equidistant. So right now let's test. Currently there are 3 rods. The earth rod itself, where you want to store your earthing, which I said should be about 5 to 10 meters apart from the first rod where this yellow cable is. Okay, this first one is usually called the potential rod. Yeah, this is it here. So this now should be between 5 to 10 meters from the actual earth electrode. Now I said this one is the potential rod. This is the potential rod. Then between the potential rod and this third rod, this is an auxiliary rod. This one is called auxiliary rod. So we have 3 rods we are using to test the actual. This auxiliary rod is a short rod. The actual earth rod we are using to test the potential rod and the auxiliary rod. So we place it at equal distance. Zero potential. So there are 3 terminals. You see this one with green, that's the E, that's the actual earth electrode terminal. This is P, the yellow one, that's the auxiliary rod terminal. And the C, which is red, that's the potential rod terminal. So this red comes here and goes to the rod. This yellow comes here, that's the auxiliary rod. Then this yellow comes to the second terminal and goes to the potential rod. And the green, which will go so the green goes to the third terminal, and that goes to the actual earth electrode. Is the earth electrode here? So now that we have our terminals connected, so we can check. So let me go down to the lowest resistance, which is 20 ohms, and see what to give us. Okay, this is a sign that this is higher than 20 ohms. Let's go to 200 and see what to give us. So what we have is 69.4 ohms. Okay, so there's 80. The building is being earthed, but the earth resistance is high, which is high. So by standard, we always drive towards having not more than 5 ohms. The resistance, if you are having a resistance around 5 ohms or 2 ohms or 3 ohms, or then you have a good earthing system for your lighting arrestor or for the earthing of your home. But having 69 ohms, it's not on a good side. Let me try to reduce the distance of the potential and auxiliary rod and see if we could have something lower. Let's take it closer a bit. Oh man. Resistance increased by just like 0 points. Okay. So I just removed the S terminal, then you see that the meter reacted immediately. So I put it back. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. So probably when if enhancement is added and it just can go down a bit, and we have like 2 or 3 rods parallel, and we had our appropriate soil enhancements, obviously resistance will reduce drastically and the agent system will be effective.